Language is a fascinating tool that humans use to communicate thoughts, ideas, and emotions. At the heart of every sentence lies a crucial component: the noun. Nouns are the words that name people, places, things, or ideas, serving as the foundation upon which sentences are built. Without nouns, we'd struggle to identify what we're talking about. In this article, we'll explore what nouns are, their types, and how they function in sentences, complete with plenty of examples to make the concept crystal clear. What is a noun? A noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. It's one of the 8 parts of speech in English grammar and plays a starring role in communication. Nouns can be as concrete as a dog you can pet, or as abstract as happiness you can feel. They help us label the world around us and give structure to our sentences. For instance, in the sentence, "The cat sleeps on the mat," the words cat and mat are nouns. They tell us who or what is involved in the action. Nouns can act as subjects, the doer of the action, objects, the receiver of the action, or even describe something further. Let's dive deeper into the types of nouns and see them in action. Types of nouns. Nouns aren't all the same. They come in different flavors, each with its own purpose. Here are the main categories of nouns, along with examples to illustrate how they work. 1. Proper nouns. Proper nouns name specific people, places, or things. They always start with a capital letter, no matter where they appear in a sentence. These nouns are unique and refer to one-of-a-kind entities. Examples: people, Albert Einstein, Taylor Swift, Mahatma Gandhi. Places: Paris, Mount Everest, New York City. Things: Coca-Cola, iPhone, Harry Potter, the book series. In a sentence, Taylor Swift performed in Paris last night. Here, Taylor Swift names a specific person and Paris names a specific place. 2. Common nouns. Unlike proper nouns, common nouns are general. They refer to a class or type of person, place, or thing, rather than a specific one. These nouns aren't capitalized unless they start a sentence. Examples: people, teacher, doctor, child. Places: city, mountain, park. Things: book, car, apple. In a sentence, the teacher handed out books to the children. The words teacher, books, and children are common nouns, representing general categories rather than specific names. 3. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns refer to things you can experience with your 5 senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, or smell. They're tangible and physically exist in the world. Examples: chair, rain, pizza, dog, bell. In a sentence, the dog barked at the rain falling outside. Both dog and rain are concrete nouns because you can see, hear, or touch them. 4. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns, on the other hand, name ideas, feelings, or concepts that you can't physically interact with. They represent things that exist in the mind or as qualities. Examples: love, freedom, courage, time, beauty. In a sentence, her courage inspired freedom in others. Courage and freedom are abstract nouns because they're intangible ideas rather than physical objects. 5. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are things you can count individually. They have both singular and plural forms, and you can use numbers with them. Examples: singular, apple, car, student. Plural: apples, cars, students. In a sentence, 3 students ate 2 apples each. Students and apples are countable nouns, and we can quantify them with numbers. 6. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, or mass nouns, refer to things that can't be counted separately because they're seen as a whole or a mass. They don't typically take a plural form. Examples: water, sand, information, furniture, rice. In a sentence, the furniture needs dusting, and the rice is cooking. You wouldn't say furnitures or rices because these nouns are uncountable. 7. Collective nouns. Collective nouns name a group of people, animals, or things acting as a single unit. They can be tricky because they may take singular or plural verbs depending on context. Examples: team, family, flock, crowd, herd. In a sentence, the team is practicing for the game. Here, Team is a collective noun treated as a singular unit. But if we said, the team are arguing among themselves, it could imply individual actions within the group, depending on regional grammar preferences, more common in British English.
Conclusion. Nouns are versatile, essential, and everywhere in language. Whether they're proper nouns like London, common nouns like river, or abstract nouns like hope, they help us express who we are and what we experience. By understanding the types of nouns and their roles, supported by examples like the teacher read a book or her love inspired courage, we can appreciate how these words shape our sentences and stories. So next time you speak or write, take a moment to notice the nouns. They're doing more work than you might think.